What if you could publish a book on Amazon this weekend with zero writing experience and start earning royalties every single month completely on autopilot? In 2026, that is exactly what thousands of people are doing with Amazon KDP and AI. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how, step by step, from complete scratch. Let us get into it. Welcome back to AI Wealth Odyssey, the channel where we turn artificial intelligence into real income, one idea at a time. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button right now because every week we drop new videos on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. All right, here's your complete step-by-step beginner guide to making money with Amazon KDP using AI in 2026. Before we get into the steps, let me quickly explain what Amazon KDP is for anyone who is hearing about it for the first time. KDP stands for Kindle Direct Publishing. It's Amazon's free self-publishing platform that allows anyone to publish and sell ebooks and paperback books directly on Amazon. You keep up to 70% royalties on every single sale. Amazon handles the payment processing, the delivery, and the customer service. Your only job is to create and publish the book. And with AI, that part has never been easier or faster. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. This is the most important step because the right niche determines whether your book sells or sits unnoticed. The best performing niches on Amazon KDP right now include personal finance and budgeting, self-improvement and productivity, health and wellness, relationships and dating, business and entrepreneurship, and making money online. To find a profitable niche, use the Amazon search bar. Type in a topic and look at the bestseller lists in that category. If books are selling well in a niche, it means there's demand. Your job is to create a better or more specific version. Pick one niche. Go deep. Do not try to cover everything. Step 2. Use AI to write your book. This is where ChatGPT becomes your most powerful tool. Here's the exact process. Open ChatGPT and ask it to create a detailed chapter-by-chapter outline for your chosen topic. Review the outline, adjust it to make sure it covers everything your reader needs, and then work through each chapter one by one, asking ChatGPT to write the content. For each chapter, give ChatGPT specific instructions. Tell it the target reader, the tone you want, conversational, professional, or motivational, and the key points each chapter must cover. Once the full draft is complete, read through it, edit it for quality, add your own insights, and make it genuinely valuable for your reader. The goal is not to just publish AI-generated content without editing. The goal is to use AI to do the heavy lifting while you ensure the final product is high quality and genuinely helpful. A solid beginner ebook should be between 8,000 and 15,000 words. With ChatGPT, you can have a complete first draft done in a single weekend. Step 3. Design a professional cover. On Amazon, your cover is your first impression. A poor cover will kill your sales, regardless of how good the content is. Use Canva to design your cover. Canva has free ebook cover templates that are professionally designed and easy to customize. Choose a template that matches your genre, add your title and author name, adjust the colors and fonts to stand out, and export it at the correct dimensions for KDP. If you want a more unique cover, use Midjourney to generate a custom image and then bring it into Canva to add your text. Your cover should be clean, bold, and clearly communicate what the book is about in under 2 seconds. Step 4. Publish your book on Amazon KDP. Go to kdp.amazon.com and create a free account. Click Add New Title and choose between ebook or paperback. Fill in your book details, title, subtitle, author name, description, and keywords. Your book description is your sales pitch, so write it carefully. Use ChatGPT to help you write a compelling description that clearly explains what the reader will gain from your book. Choose your categories, select 2 categories that best match your topic. Choose keywords that your target reader would type into Amazon search. Upload your manuscript in Word or PDF format, upload your cover, set your price, and choose your royalty plan. 70% royalties are available for books priced between $2.99 and $9.99 US. Click Publish. Amazon reviews your book within 24 to 72 hours, and once approved, it goes live on Amazon for the entire world to find and buy. Step 5. Scale your catalog. One book is a start, but the real power of Amazon KDP comes from publishing multiple books. Every book you publish is another passive income stream that earns royalties every month without you doing anything else. The more books you have, the more chances you have of being discovered, and the more income flows in consistently. Use AI to speed up your production process. With ChatGPT and Canva, you can research, write, design, and publish a new book every 2 to 3 weeks. Study your best-performing books and create sequels, companion guides, or books on related topics within the same niche. One successful book idea can become an entire series. The goal is to build a catalog. 10 well-optimized books in a strong niche is a genuinely powerful passive income machine. There you have it, your complete 5-step guide to making money with Amazon KDP using AI in 2026. Step 1. Choose a profitable niche. Step 2. Use AI to write your book. Step 3. Design a professional cover. Step 4. Publish on Amazon KDP. Step 5. Scale your catalog. Every step is beginner-friendly. Every step can be started this week with free tools. Now drop a comment below and tell me, are you going to start your first KDP book this week? I read every single comment and I genuinely want to know. If this video gave you value, smash that like button and subscribe to AI Wealth Odyssey for new videos every week on how to use AI to build real income in 2026. I'll see you in the next one. Let's build this together. Peace.